Here's another tractor project I'm working on. This is a Montgomery Wards Power-Trac. And it has a Wisconsin WMC BKN model engine. It turns over. The magneto has a good spark. There's one fin that's damaged there, but the head gasket is bad. It blows out right here. I have a gasket kit for this engine. I'll have to take the head off, make sure the head surface and the block surface are in good shape, and then replace the head gasket, replace the spark plug. Needs a drive belt. Now this one here, somebody went and welded these little plates on here. And what they did by doing that is they blocked off these slots for the attachments. So I'm going to have to clean this off and then grind all that weld off and get them things off of there. Otherwise you can't mount attachments on the front. It looks like they welded something on here and then it broke off, or they cut it off. But it has pretty good tires yet. This has 3 speeds forward plus reverse. This must be some type of safety deal. But the thing that's kind of unique about this tractor, right where this tube is, there should be a tube slides out, comes back here, and there should be a pair of wheels with a seat and a steering wheel. This is actually a ride-on tractor. I did not get the back half of the tractor, however. There is a guy I know that says he has a back half, and I'm working on getting it from him. Otherwise I'll have to make something. But this lever engages that belt drive for the transmission. This lever goes down here, and is probably the lever that would engage power implements, probably on the front or the back. And then there's these little foot type levers here. I think some of this stuff is still locked up a bit. But I think what these do is you push one down and it tips the tractor in relation to the back half that you ride on. So that's what would engage or disengage the implements into the ground, or raise and lower them. So, like right down there is where you would attach the plow, disc, cultivator, rotor tiller, and lots of stuff. Now this here has me a little bit confused. There's a pulley, belt, and then I don't know what it's doing up there. But see, there's 2 there, so I don't know if that's some type of brake. It works on this lever here, which is not moving. And then this is the shift lever, so this thing has some work to do, getting everything moving. I did download a manual off the internet for Wards Power-Trac. So it'll be interesting if I ever get this thing going. But As you can see, I have a lot of projects. I got all kinds of stuff to work on to keep me busy. It's just a matter of ambition. But thanks for watching.